Sorry I'm late. Late as hell. I'm on that black people time. What's good, what's good, what's good, Rebel Nation? It's your boy Soldier the Rebel back again with another video. But this ain't a reaction video. This is an unboxing video. So I don't know if y'all heard me mention in past vlogs or past reaction videos about me needing or wanting a new camera. So I know I kind of been a little MIA, you know what I'm saying? I've been working like crazy, between working out, bettering myself, or just, you know, going out, having fun, enjoying myself, because, you know, I gotta have a life too. I've been saving up for a new camera. So a couple weeks back, everybody know it was Black Friday. So finally saved up, got me a brand new camera. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. I'm gonna unveil it in a moment, but first make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit me up on all my social media sites. It'll be located in the description, and along with that information, it'll be information about the camera I'm about to unveil. So I'm excited. I hope y'all excited, and maybe y'all learn something new. Maybe, hell, y'all probably looking for a camera, and you know, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it, because before I buy stuff, I like to read up heavy on stuff and do heavy research. You know, so without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, so the time has come. Got the camera right here, and so this is my brand new Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. Damn, that's a mouthful, ain't it? Just took it out the package, haven't even opened it yet. Still wrapped up in a bubble wrap. And again, this is the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. Warranty. Straighten this up a little bit. There we go. Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. So, yeah, a little information about the camera and where I got it from. I bought it off bestbuy.com, and I paid approximately $379 before taxes and the warranty. And I'll have the link in the description below the video. So, yeah, let's bust this thing open. And, yeah, as I'm opening it, I'm gonna, matter of fact, I should just turn the view around so y'all can see it better. So yeah, that's a better view for y'all to see. And as you can see, Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. And I'm gonna open the box. And you know, when you open the box, you got, you know, the standard random papers, I guess, the Canon collective. Of course, here is the getting started manual. That's the main event. That's the main event. Here's the power cable, you know, to charge it or whatever. Hold on, not the main event, not the main event. Here's the charger. A travel adapter. And now, that's everything? Other than the main event? Hold on. It's my first time doing this, y'all, so bear with me. The battery. That's the battery. So let's reiterate before we get to the main event. The battery. Power plug for the charger. The charger itself. and the travel adapter. And here is, this is definitely gonna come in handy when I start doing more vlogs. I invested in this camera for y'all, so I can do more vlogs. And here is the main event. Dun, da, da, da. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at that sexy! The Canon PowerShot SX740 HS with 40 times optical zoom. Some of the features are as follows. It has 20.3 megapixels, 4K video and 4K time lapse, and it has a Canon 8-image processor. Turn it around for y'all. It has a screen. See that? Yeah. You know, one of my favorite colors, black, so I had to get it in all black. I think they got it in silver as well. Some more features. Has a built-in flash, built-in Wi-Fi technology, Canon Camera Connect app, multi-card slot that support SD, SDXC, and SDXC cards. And I've heard a lot about this camera. This camera is good for vlogging, and that's what I plan on bringing to y'all. It has remote capability. Doesn't have a touchscreen though. The screen is approximately 3 inches. Of course, the videos can be shot in 4K. That is a plus. It is a point and shoot camera with integrated flash. I think I mentioned that already. Optical zoom is goes 40 times. Face detection. And it has a low light, high sensitivity. Let me see. Yeah, let's get into it. I doubt it's charged. I doubt it came charged. But let's see. Damn, I kind of got my fingerprints on it, but it's cool though. There we go. Ha. So I'll be setting all these up. The screen also pops up. So when I want to shoot, you know, I can just hold it like this, just talk to y'all. You know, this camera has come highly recommended. Like I said, I do extensive research before I make big purchases like this. And yeah, let me pause the video right quick so I can, you know, set some of these settings up. So got the camera on, set up. It's a little blurry, but it's cool though. Yeah, so y'all see me shooting this video. And I also got some accessories as well. So memory card reader to transfer video files. I bought this from Best Buy. I don't remember the price off the top of my head, but I will have the link to all these products I'm showing y'all in the description. And I bought a 64 gig SD card. You know, so I'm trying to do the damn thing, Rebel Nation. So yeah, again, this camera runs about $379.99 before taxes from BestBuy.com. I bought all these products from Best Buy. And yeah, this is my first unboxing video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all find it very interesting or to your liking. You know, somebody might want to buy a camera or looking for a camera, they might stumble across this video. And yeah, let me know if you have, I'll be using this camera very soon, so let me know if you have any questions about this camera. Again, this is the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. Run about $379.99 on BestBuy.com. And yeah, if you have any questions about this camera, how I like it, I haven't used it yet. Obviously, I just bust the box open. Make sure you drop a comment below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit me up on all my social media sites. And all the information along with all these products information to be below the video in the description.